ydw i, fi'n dod hefyd.
Lawri menig lawri jam. Dos ysgoli bwm bwm bwm. Gyrri a gyrri, gyrri a gyrri, gyrri a gyrri gyrri. Dar y lasyn drwy'r triglo. Dar y lasyn drwy'r trot. Lawri menig lawri jam. Dos ysgoli bwm bwm bwm.
Wy'n mynd a mae ar drosedd I Bethlehem.
Fi cael babi. Baban Iesu.
Ser nos y gwenyn bach, drychachan y gwenyn bach, dych I brest y Bethlehem I weld y baba Iesu bach. Dych I brest y Bethlehem I weld y baba Iesu. Diddo!
Roedd y teithio fi, o byd ag efri gafel, a garfan i'r dafel, tri, roedd y teithio fi, dilys ar y Bethlehem, dilys ar y Bethlehem. Mae gen I ffys baban Iesu.
Mae gen I middle Baban Iesu. Got one.
Ti yn rhaid a teithio fi, o byd ag efri gafel, a garfan i'r dafel, tri, roedd y teithio fi, dilys ar y Bethlehem, dilys ar y Bethlehem.
Baban Iesu.
Presents? Wow. Green.
Helo, fi yw Joseph, os chi yn y geti.
Fi'n bydd nawr.
Does dim lle yn llety.
Does dim lle yn y llety. I ffyrdani ni'n mynd.
When it was a Bobby, the Bobby, hey, yeah, Bobby, yeah.
Wel nos, Santa Dduw nos, cws mewn gerdd, wain a ros, eto nerth y mae Joseph a Mair, faban a ddwyd y cwsg gyda gwair, cwsg mewn gwefyd a hyth, cwsg mewn gwefyd a hyth. Bethlehem!
Baban Iesu. Ama.
Wy'n fawr doctor yn
Nadolig llawer I chi gyd.
Nadolig llawer I chi gyd. I teulu mawr y byd. Yn addysg yw'n mynd dathlu, a os dan Iesu neu Nating lasad sa kaibigan. Yasi papanhay. Doedd fy navigeiriad yn oflygu wrth y glid. Magdewch chi yn ei fynd i wad a ffygu wrth y glid. Nadolig llawer i chi gyd. I deulu mawr y byd. Na'r agos yw'n bydaffu. Ar os na le Iesu neu y dilleti llawn o hyd. Nadolig llawer i chi gyd. I deulu mawr y byd. Yr agos yw'n bydaffu. Ar os na le Iesu neu y dilleti llawn o hyd. Y dilleti llawn o hyd. Nadolig llawer!
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me my tears, I give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me my tears, I give it to someone special, special.
Once feeling and trying to shine. I keep my distance, but you still catch my eyes. Tell you, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's feeling again surprised me. I wrapped it and sent it. Please don't listen. I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I've been. But if you kiss me now, I know you'll fool me again. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special, special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special, special.
Nadolig llawer i chi I deulu mawr y byd. Yn nghanol sŵn y daflu, oes na luniau sy'n neu y diteti cawn o hyd. Hello, I'm back, man. bach, hello to Annie. We will hold me up, I keep blessing you. You want the wedding and my soul in the limp.
Settle.
Mae'n Seneddol yn byr, a'n gwerthfawr o di, cylch y drysau, neu byddwn ni'n rhewi. Helo Mr Jones, beth yw dy nes? Rwy'n barod i helpu chi, sdim angen poeni, cofiwch ymdrechu ac ychwanegu. Chocolate a maintain, ffilm a teledu. Dyma restr ddim yn draw, dewch i ddathi.
Caneuon Nadolig, Ceinion Nadolig, Amser Nadolig, Sean Conn, ac Elves a Cwracod.
Santa, coeden Nadolig, Ceinion Nadolig, Arfegion, Teulu, Chocolate, Miss Pay.
Cennin Nadolig, Chocolate, Mid-Peas, Ffrindiau, Heregion, Teledu, Nadolig, Sean Conn a Theulu.
A theulu, 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 a theulu. Brush out, wet out, Joel. Brush out, wet out, Joel. Brush out, wet out, Joel. Sure you know
Nadolig pwy a oer. Tinsel ar y goeden, seren yn y nen, a'r foli bach yn eistedd, mor fel a ffrig y ffen, a'i hyn yw'r Nadolig pwy a oer.
Dechrau Santa Tinsen dros y eiriau man, ac nesau plant yn uno, gan y carol lan, y hyn yw'r Nadolig pwy a oer.
Plant yn dawl yn cofio cysg dda oriau bach yn breifio fod yn gofio am draw Santaidd gyrysach.
Daw deganau lawer ar pwy a ble a sŵn ei chwerthin hapus a glywed dros bethau a'i hyn yw Nadolig pwy a oer.
Pychau eglwys y Pyllian gyda neges y holl ffyn yn canu un o'r goffa fod y baban yn ei grid. Neswch at y bysedd, ffygwch yn o'n llwyr wrth weld y brenhinoedd ynel, nid oes rhaid ofyn pwy a pawb a oer.
Nadolig
Llawen.
Hello, I'm Spider-Man, Nadolig Llawen.
you a Merry Christmas.
and a Happy New Year.
Here is everybody singing this Christmas time.
Cold outside and up your nose, you hope these trees like icicles. I'm beginning to think it must be Christmas time. Your dad is making sure the roof can withstand any reindeer hoof. I'm beginning to think it must be Christmas time. Your mum is roasting turkey and your granny wants to boil it. But you still can't stop the Brussels sprouts from tasting like the toilet. When all the grown-ups seem to drink a little too much wine, I begin to think it must be Christmas time. You let a big fat man with a long white beard inside your home, but it don't seem weird. I'm beginning to think it must be Christmas time. You think that's all, then check this out. There's a 6-foot tree inside your house. It makes some sense, it must be Christmas time.
I seem to watch what's happening. I get down this hill. Hey, fireman, someone with I see myself on a little person shivering
My Jordan wet, my Jordan wet. Pilljoy that rugby out of that sketch. With and the camel, they out of there. Out of out on the gaffer, che non c'è te. Turkey, Voita, but Egni. Darling, shower me bow. See what the tea. Woo, 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 woo. Can you that shot? Woo, woo, Not darling, shower me bow. Sweet tea.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And a happy new year.
Thank you.